that of medium. Mixture. Glucose. At saka peptone. Okay. Glucose and peptone. And the microorganism is B. So we have a microorganism. Okay. So scientific name is found in your manual. So we have how many setups? A, B, and C. A, B, and C. Now, the first one has the medium. Medium lang. No organism. Diba? No organism. Why no organism? Why no organism? Group A. Group A. Why no organism? Asan ang group A? Asan? Okay. Anong reason? This is a test for sterility. Sterilization process. Okay. So that means that if there was group, group 9 at group A, kapag may sumubong organism sa A, it means that your sterilization process is at failed. Okay? So that means that the succeeding procedure is also failed. Kakaintindihan tayo. Okay. Dapat walang tumubo sa A. There is only one group, there is only one section that perfected the sterilization process. Iisang group lang. Okay? So, iisang group lang. And don't you know how long the sterilization process nila? That is 30 minutes boiling water. Kasi nakalimutan nila tanggalin. Okay, in the second one, we have the medium plus the organism. Okay? Plus the organism. Now, so halos pareho. The only difference between these two is that this is observation third day. This one is 5 days. Third 3 days, 5 days. Okay? So, sila lang ang pwede may lisensya na mag-submit ng report. Na mag-delay ng report because 5 days. Okay? Pero, ginawa nila yung experiment ay walang pasok. Yes, ma'am. Because we were actually waiting, we were doing something, tumutok-tukol sa bakod room. Okay? So, what are the things that you are supposed to observe? So, here on box test tube, that is box tube, you have formation of gas. One is the formation of our gas formation. And the second one was turbidity. It means that there was actually growth taking place. Turbidity. Ibig sabihin merong tubo. Okay? Now, another thing, so on this tube, there was gas formation. Okay? Kung totoo nga would actually lighten, or that is that thing would glow. Okay? Or mag-aapoy siya. Yan. And that is because of the formation of ethyl alcohol. This is already a product. So formation. So what you form now is ethyl alcohol. Okay? When you place a lighted match, lighted, so you have match. Okay? But we did not ask you anymore to do that. Place it at the mouth, ilaw sa kaway. Oo, sa bunganga lang. Sa bunganga lang na sabi ko. Ito yung container, bunganga lang. Now, if you are going to smell it, what is the odor? Odor? Odor. Okay, supposed to be the odor is alcohol. Alcohol. The odor is talaga alcohol. But in some cases, it is combined with carbon dioxide. Kaya hindi mo naman Now, how to determine the presence of ethyl alcohol? So, you are going to do the iodoform test. Okay? Iodoform test. Now, the positive result of the iodoform test is a yellow crystalline precipitate. Yellow crystalline precipitate. Okay. Now, in the experiment, you were asked to compare it with water 1.25% ethanol. Okay. So we now have 3 test tubes. So 3 test tubes. 1, 2, and 3. The first one is distilled water. The second one is 1.25% ethanol. And the third one was from fermentation tube. Fermentation tube C. Okay? So since this is a test for the presence of enol group. Okay? Enol group. That is present in methanol. So please take note of this one, the enol group. Okay? Enol. Now, ethyl alcohol has an enol group. I'm not sure whether and this one. Okay? Now, any structure, any component that has this one will produce a positive result. Secondary alcohols, and except for the primary, that is the tertiary alcohols. Secondary alcohol, not only alcohol but also ketones that are secondary in nature. Okay? Mag-produce ng positive result dito. This is for the iodoform test. Now, in the first test tube, since you have water, wala naman siya, water lang siya, diba? So that is just plain water. So you does not have this structure. So this is negative. Now, if you have, this is the test whether your fermentation tube has alcohol. one becomes positive, forming yellow crystalline precipitate, it means that the fermentation proceed, it has alcohol. Confirmatory. Nagkakaintindihan. So, kailangan dapat positive. That is for the presence of ethyl alcohol. Nagkakaintindihan. Here. Okay, you know already that one of the product of fermentation is carbon dioxide. It is already proven. Meron na. By the formation of gas. Right? This is a closed container. Meron ba tubig? But in the case of fermentation, wala siyang tubig. What it will produce is ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. So you now have a space here on top. This is the gas. When you test it with iodoform, it's supposed to be positive. With yellow crystalline precipitate. Nakaintindihan. Klaro? Okay, so quiz tayo next meeting.